square equal to, if you calculate x is 5.4 meter. 5.3667 meter. And it will be B. You understand every step?
Up until you got down here, I understand you took the integral because that would give you the force, and the
That
negative
will give you the work done by the force, right? From 0 to x.
right, and it's equals to the what? The work.
The work we calculate here. Right?
So you brought that -3/2 over,
Mm-hmm.
and then you took the square root.
Square, yeah, it will be, right? And then you take the square root.
Okay.
Just use a calculator to look at this number.
It's not that these problems hard, but every question is adding something different. They're
Yeah, but the
adding different
basic
basic stuff
thing
is-
is the energy conservation of the energy, right?
Okay.
If you this equation, if you get it right, the rest is calculation. Just calculate the number. So
All right. The last three.
I don't know why they gave the last three is a question from the first review we did, right? It's only about vectors. (19, 20, and 21). If there is two vectors, A and B, cosine theta, and they have a angle theta, is equal to the scalar product divided by the magnitude of A and the magnitude of B.
Right.
You remember this?
Mhm.
These three, all of these three are using this. Two of them actually. So number 19 is A and C. You know the scalar
So to be
product?
cosine of 130 is equals to -3.5 over 2 times,
over
that part I don't know.
over 2 times C. That's what you want to calculate.
Oh, okay.
So if you calculate, this one is equal to negative 128. If you calculate, it would be 2.7224. So it's B, 2.7.
Because you took,
You just need to plug in the numbers.
right, so it's cosine of 130
Yes.
times 2 divided by -3.5. That would give you the magnitude of C. That's how you,
Yeah, you can put a
you
C
bring it
here.
over.
2 times cosine 130, right?
Okay.
Just calculate.
All right, that's good.
number 20, two vectors A and B are given. A, B is C we don't know, but you need to calculate the magnitude of C. But what we do know is the Z component of C is 0. So we can give C a value, A, I plus B, J. What we need to do is calculate this A and B. So we know the scalar product of A and C is negative 16. Is 4A plus 8B, right? 4A plus 8B.
And you have negative 16 because of why?
In the question, it gives you
Oh, okay.
the product of A and C is negative 16. And B and C is
Negative 16.
positive 18. So it's 6A minus 2B. Right?
Okay.
So from this what you can get is A plus 2B is 4. We divide is negative 4. You divide everything by
Negative
4.
6.
By 4. Right? Okay, this.
Okay, yeah.
And then if you plus these two, it will be 6A plus A plus 2B minus 2B. (18) minus 4, right?
Okay.
7A equal to 14. A equal to 2. Right?
Okay.
If you got this, you just plug in here. 2 plus 2B is negative 4. 2B is negative 6, and B is negative 3. So here we know C is 2 I plus 3J. Right?
Okay.
And they ask you the magnitude will be calculated is around 3.6.
Okay.
Understand, right?
Yeah. It's just boring.
Yeah.
It don't seem like it's serving no purpose.
The
Seem like
only
a
thing
seem like a
that's-
calculus class. Like
The only thing is equation. They want you to understand the equations and everything.
all right, last one.
To memorize. The last one is the same equation. A, B, they give you this angle is 30. But actually you need the angle between these two. So here is 150, right?
Okay.
What you need to do is cosine 150. You know the magnitude. A is 5, B is 8.
And how you have 150?
There's a line. It's 180, right? For a horizontal line. It's 180.
Oh, because you're doing a
And
line.
they gave you here, they only gave you 30 there.
So you
So here is 150, right?
180 minus 30.
Yes.
Okay.
And cosine this angle is a scalar product by the magnitude. We know the magnitude, 5 and 8. So what they ask is a scalar product. Would be 40 times cosine 150. Calculate this. So it's 8.